Um, yeah, the title of his, the title of her, after practice, right?
Giselle, good morning. How may I help you? It was in 2009 when I was challenged by my mentor to serve as a front desk officer in a non-profit organization called the International Graduate School of Leadership. Well, I actually immediately brushed away the idea, thinking that it was an impossibility because, believe it or not, I was an extremely shy person. I didn't even know how to dress well and how to comb my hair. And besides, the course that I took in college was far and not so related with the work that she is offering to me. But still, with much excitement and faith, she encouraged me to try. She was so excited for me, she said that it might be a good place for me to grow. I might have some breakthroughs there. And so, because she was so insistent, I tried. I applied for the position despite of the many contradictions within me. I applied and then I got hired, and there I have had my first ever job. And since I will be turning 6 years old this month in this line of work, I would like to share with you the 3 of the many life lessons I've learned so far at the front desk. First, I've learned that teachability can lead to a lot of possibilities. Most people thought that the person at the front desk does nothing but smile and answer the phone. Little did they know that there were tons of tasks to toss and to catch, like submitting financial reports, coordinating event needs, and then facing complaints, etc., etc. It was like I was everybody's aide. And as I mentioned earlier, my personality was opposite from what the job was demanding from me. And so there were a lot of struggle. Hence, I had to learn many things. I had to learn to smile, to comb my hair, and then to simply be sociable. It was so stressful. I was like a fish trapped in an aquarium, being watched by different people 8 hours a day. I remember putting myself to sleep crying because I was really overwhelmed by all the things that is happening each day. I just had so much to learn, and I know that I had nothing but my willingness to learn. Amazingly, after getting through a lot of roller coaster of emotions, I could say that I have learned, have changed, and have improved. As far as I can remember, how I look and how I carry myself now is way different from what I used to be. I'm still continually learning and still continually being taught. And I know that as long as I'll be teachable, then progress will just be at hand. Because teachability can lead to a lot of possibilities. Second, I've also learned that life is predictably unpredictable. Embrace it. In this kind of work, where you deal with peoples and papers, various clashes and bangles are inevitable. Each day is unique, and each second is different. You never know how many requests will be thrown at you, what kind of person will you encounter, how many phone calls will you have to receive from the 7 phone lines on your table, and how many guests will you have to entertain. Of course, there's an organized work system, but still, circumstances occur like a whirlwind, uncontrollable and unpredictable. There was one instance where I had a miscommunication with a co-worker. I could still remember how he shouted and pointed his finger at me. He was like a lion roaring in anger, while I was like a little cute mouse wanting to hide in embarrassment. That was just one instance, and as I've said, there were lots. There were many instances like that. And for sure, there will still be a lot. So I just learned to just embrace the fact that no matter how hard you try to be in control of things and how hard you plan, there will be circumstances like that. And life at the front desk and life in general will always be predictably unpredictable. Having known that led me to my third point, the last but not the least, rather the best lesson that I should hold on to in this lifetime, and that is to depend on God in everything and in anything. The front desk is the area that anyone would see. This is the first area that would make an impression to someone. And I, the receptionist, would be the first person they'll interact with. Thus, anything that I would say matter, anything that I do matter. There was a time when I was so caught up with work, and then a visitor came, and I failed to smile at him. The next thing I knew, I was already reported to the president. Imagine a life like that. There were a lot of pressure every day, and all of those are just too much, and disappointments just can't be avoided. On the other hand, all of those work for good. The pressures and the disappointments has led me to cry unto God, to ask for help, for strength, and for wisdom each day. And He never failed me, just like the title of our theme for tonight. He has always been there. In the most trivial task that I have to perform, to the most significant task that I will have to accomplish. I have learned to entrust Him with all that I know and with all that I don't know. And I have learned to depend on Him in anything and in everything. You see, my 6 years at the front desk is not just mere days of work, but also days of learning life's essential lessons, such as teachability can lead to a lot of possibilities. Life is predictably unpredictable. Embrace it and depend on God in anything and in everything. The front desk was not only my workplace, I guess. It has been my life academy as well. Kring, kring. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, good evening.